Hi everyone. Today is discuss about the vehicle along horizontal circular track. This is before syllabus. Banking of road means when a car is moving along a horizontal curve road. Here vehicle along horizontal circular track. Here there are two sections. One is a horizontal section, another one is a vertical section. Here there are four theoretical points. Point first, the vertical section of the car is on a horizontal circle at radius r, and the vertical plane, this vertical plane is perpendicular to the horizontal section or horizontal circular track point C. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय होतं की ते जे व्हर्टिकल सेक्शन ऑफ कार जे आहे ते कशावरती सबस्टिट्यूट केलेलं आहे, सिच्युएटेड केलेलं आहे ते हॉरिझॉन्टल सेक्शनवर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉईंट. नेक्स्ट व्हॉट इज द सेकंड पॉईंट? दिस इज अ व्हर्टिकल सेक्शन ऑफ व्हर्टिकल लाईन. ते तुम्हाला एन आणि एम जीची जी व्हर्टिकल सेक्शन लाईन दिसते ते कशाला परपेंडिक्युलर टू आहे? हॉरिझॉन्टल सर्क्युलर ट्रॅक पॉईंट सी ॲट विच रेडियस? आर रेडियस. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट. What is the first point? The vertical section of car on a horizontal circular track of radius r, and next vertical section or vertical plane of car is perpendicular to the horizontal circular track at point C. Next, मग याचं मीनिंग काय होते की हॉरिझॉन्टल when a car is moving along horizontal banked curve road, जेव्हा ते banked curve रोडला मूव्ह होते तेव्हा त्याच्यावरती कोणते फोर्स ॲक्ट्स होतील. मग आता या डायग्राममध्ये व्यवस्थित ऑब्झर्वेशन करा. हिअर द फोर्स ॲक्टिंग ऑन द कार इज फर्स्ट द व्हर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड, द वेट ऑफ mg vertically downward mg, and the normal reaction vertically upward, and this normal reaction and the weight of mg both are opposite in direction, correct, but both are in, that is a balances, n is equal to mg. This is the first force. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, the force acting on the car is, what is the first? The weight of mg vertically downwards and the normal reaction vertically upward, that balances with n is equal to mg. Next, and what is the situation here? Fs is the static friction between road surface and tires of vehicle. Fs is the static friction between road surface and tires of vehicle, and this Fs static friction is prevents to car outward the skidding or slipping. ओके, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ ते स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शन जे हॉरिझॉन्टल कर्व रोडला आहे ते काय करते? प्रिव्हेंट करते. काय प्रिव्हेंट करते? कारपासून ॲक्सिडेंट होण्यापासून ते आपल्याला बचाव करते. मग कशासाठी? मग ते काय? मग ते स्टॅटिक फ्रिक्शन आहे. कशामधला? एक रोड सरफेसमधला आणि दुसरा टायर्स ऑफ व्हेकलमधला. मग हे पडू नये म्हणून ते प्रिव्हेंट्स करते, म्हणजे स्किडिंग आणि स्लिपिंग होऊ नये म्हणून. मग आता त्याला कोण बाउंड, कोणतं फोर्स करून ठेवलं? विच फोर्सेस? दॅट इज अ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. That's why centripetal force is balanced with centripetal force. The static friction between tires of vehicle or road surface is balances with centripetal force. This is equation number 2. Okay, vehicle along horizontal circular tracks means banking of road, means when a car is moving along a horizontal curve road. This is similar to here vehicle along horizontal circular track, but here there is a section. Here there are two sections. One is a vertical section, another one is a horizontal section, and this vertical section of car is on a horizontal circular track at radius r, and here the forces acting on a car is, one is a weight of mg vertical downwards and the normal reaction vertically upward, and that balances n is equal to mg. This is equation number 1. And next, Fs. What is the Fs? Fs is the, S means static, F means friction, static friction between road surface and these tires of vehicle. And when a moving car along a horizontal circular track, that this static friction prevents to car outward स्लिपिंग और स्किडिंग. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ कार हे आउटवर्डला जाऊ नये म्हणजे ते प्रिव्हेंट करते. मग ते कोणतं फोर्स असेल, सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स असते. मग इकडल्या साईडला जे एफ एस जे आहे, एफ एस इज सेंटर ऑफ पॉइंट मीन्स टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल मीन्स सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. एफ एस इक्वल टू एम आर ओमेगा स्क्वेअर. ओके, there are two equation here, and this is a vertical plane of the car is perpendicular to the horizontal section. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ हे हॉरिझॉन्टल सेक्शन तुमचा हा व्हर्टिकल सेक्शन, बोथ आर परपेंडिक्युलर टू each other. Okay, now here mathematical arrangement, dividing equation 2 by 1. What is equation 2? Fs. What is 1? N is equal to, what is Fs is equal to m r omega square divided by mg. M get cancelled, therefore Fs divided by N is equal to r omega square divided by g. Here Fs is equal to, Fs divided by N is equal to, here dividing equation, multiply or divide with this equation number 3 with r. This is r into r square omega square divided by g. We know all of you what is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. V is equal to r omega. So Fs divided by N is equal to r square omega square, what is a V square divided by rg. Correct. This is equation number 4. First equation number 1, equation number 2, dividing equation 2 by 1, Fs divided by N is equal to m r omega square divided by mg. M get cancelled, and what will get? Fs divided by N is equal to r omega square g, equation number 3. And equation number 3 multiply and divide with r, and that's why here r into r square omega square divided by rg. We know all of you the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. V is equal to r omega. Therefore, this V value is substitute here. Therefore, Fs divided by N is equal to V square by rg. Next, okay, what will get equation number 4? Fs is equal to Fs divided by N V square by rg. Okay, but here one condition, if suppose the static friction is maximum, there is a simple relation formula, there is a mu s n, this is a simple formula. Okay, and this value Fs is maximum is equal to mu s n, and if suppose Fs is maximum, the velocity also is maximum, V max Cmax. Okay, and this Fs maximum is equal to mu s n, and this is a V max is a substitute in equation number 4. What is Fs value? Mu s n divided by n is equal to V max square divided by rg. Here n get cancelled. What is remaining? We can write mu s is equal to V max square divided by rg. Now, what is the find here? Velocity of the vehicle. Therefore, V max square is equal to mu s rg. Mu s means coefficient of friction between road surface and tires of vehicle. Therefore, taking the square root on both sides, V max is equal to under root mu s rg. This is a velocity, maximum velocity of along a horizontal circular track. Okay, this is a banking of road is similar to the vehicle along horizontal circular track, but here we have to different take a equation, and to find the V max is equal to under root mu s rg. Before also here along a horizontal curve road means banking of road, also we have to get the V maximum is equal to mu rg. Mu means coefficient of friction between tires tires of vehicle and road surface. Here also is same, Vmax is equal to under root mu s Rg. Mu s means static coefficient of friction between road surface and tires of vehicle. Okay, once again, vehicle along horizontal circular track. First point, the vertical section of car is on a horizontal circular track point C along a radius r. And next, the vertical plane of the car is perpendicular to the horizontal circular track point C. This is the second point. Next, the force acting on a car is, this is the first, weight of mg is vertically downward direction, the normal reaction vertically upward, and these both are that balances with n is equal to mg. Next, Fs is the static friction between road surface and tires of vehicle, and this static of friction prevents because a car outward slipping or skidding. That's why the Fs is balanced with centripetal, necessary centripetal force, and this Fs is equal to mr square, mr omega square, and n is equal to mg. And this equation divided by 2 by 1, what will get? Fs divided by n is equal to mr omega square divided by mg. M get cancelled, and what is the remaining equation? Fs divided by n is equal to r omega square divided by g, and this equation multiply and divide with r. So therefore Fs divided by n is equal to r square omega square divided by rg. We know all of you v is equal to r omega, that's why r square omega square is equal to v square, and this value or this linear square of linear velocity substitute here, and what will get? Fs divided by n is equal to v square by rg. There is one condition, the static friction is maximum, so static mu s into n. This is a one condition, or this is a simple formula, basic formula, 8th standard, and this value substitute here, Fs, and the mu s n divided by n get cancelled, is equal to v max square divided by rg. Therefore mu s is the coefficient of static friction between road surface and vehicles, tires of vehicle. And next, v max square is equal to mu s rg. Therefore v max is equal to under root mu s rg. So thank you.